Hello and welcome to this edition of Video Ask a Master, where we show and discuss all things Mimio. We had a great question come in from Craig. He's wondering, how can I add a sound to an image in my lesson? Adding sounds to images in MimioStudio Notebook is very simple. In this video, I will demonstrate how to apply action settings to images in MimioStudio Notebook. With the upcoming Martin Luther King holiday, let me go ahead and bring in an image from my gallery. We'll first bring in the MLK Dream Speech here image. Now there are a few different options for applying a sound to your image. The first option is to simply right-click on the image, come down to Action Settings. From here, you want to keep your action to on-click. Your feature, drop down the menu here, you want to click on Play Sound. Now you'll have an option to add your sound file. I'm going to add a sound file right from my gallery. In order to do this, all I need to do is left-click on that sound file from my gallery and drag it right here into the empty box. When I release my mouse, you can see that audio file has been added. Once I'm all set, click on OK. You'll notice when you add a sound here, you have a blue border. In order to get rid of that blue border, all you need to do is right-click on the image and come down to Lock. So now if I click on my image here, you will hear the famous Martin Luther King speech.
I am happy to join with you today.
The other option, and we'll try this with another image here. Let me bring this image in. Once you have your object or your image selected here, you can come up here to the menu bar on the top of your MimioStudio Notebook screen. Click on Insert, come down to Action Settings. Now if my sound file were in a different location, say on my computer as opposed to inside my gallery, I can easily add that sound as well. Again, you want to keep your action to on-click. Your feature, let's drop down that menu again, come down to Play Sound. Now instead of dragging and dropping my sound file from my gallery, I'm going to look for it on my computer. So what I'm going to do is press on the Load button. And right here on my desktop I have a file for MLK and I have my audio file right here. So I'm going to click on the audio file and then select Open. You'll notice that that sound file has been added here. Once I'm ready, press OK. And now that sound has been linked here with my image of Martin Luther King. Once again, once you have your image placed where you'd like it to be on your page, to get rid of that blue border, simply right-click, come down to Lock. Or you can also select the image, come up here to Format, Locking, and then Lock. And you'll see now that my blue border has disappeared. Just remember, when working with resources from the internet or from an outside resource, you want to make sure you credit the source. So here you can see I've actually grouped my image with the copyright here. So you can see at the bottom here. And for the sound file as well, you can always add something in here at the bottom of your page. I want to thank you all very much for tuning in today to our Ask a Master video series. Please let us know if you have any questions at all. You can visit us on MimioConnect.com and then just click on the Ask a Master tab. That's all for now, and I look forward to hearing from you.